Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Southwest Garo Hills District ka Kynjoh sa Katong kabakon hinyo pusaw po hinyo percent haka Jingpas bahaj ng Khynnah school kibayakon ya ka exam secondary school living certificate haka baya ka result lapan bana naka Meghalaya Board of School Education haka asantarik yung arja pesan kani ka Jingpas bahaj ng Khynnah kalakiw bah haka New York bigisnam baladam kabalong tang 40% haus nam arja pusaw but 40% haus nam arja pulai Katum kani ka result la syam bak school ha Southwest Garo Hills kiba Kynjoh ya ka Jingpas bahagi Khynnah shispa kilong ha Nugar Para Deficit Secondary School ka Good Shepherd Secondary School Chapahati ka Baldam Gre Deficit Secondary School ka Jewel Secondary School Mahendraganj ka Kasturba Gandhi Vidyala Balika Girls Residential School Batasing Bat Zigzag ka Mother Union Secondary School Ampati, Kabidan Basic Secondary School, Rangsakuna, St. Francis de Sales Secondary School, Milim, Kakakuli Deficit Secondary School, Vidyamoni Secondary School, Garobadha, at Karangsangkuna Deficit Higher Secondary School. Kabakhampan sa tanak Chusyo, kalong, bahkan ni kajing penpanay ka result, nakani ka district, Umahir Islam, Bapuli Hamandraganj Higher Secondary School, Ulayo rong hakat kerdan 5th position nakabayo sanspa anyo po max Tengkim Sangma Bapuli hasing Claret Secondary School Ampati ulayo chispa amang haka subject Health and Physical Education ka Amamy Sangma pat ka Arbina CH Marang kipapuli hasing Dominic Savio School Garo Badha kalayo distinction ru baro henru teli subject.
I give thanks to God for this opportunity. My name is Tengkim Sangma. I am from St. Claret Higher Secondary School, Amphati. I want to share my marks, especially in health and physical education, that I got 100 out of 100. When I saw my results, it was a shocking moment for me. I faced many challenges, difficulties, obstacles related to resources, infrastructure or connectivity. But I finally overcame those obstacles with the help of the Lord. My school teachers used to give advice and encouragement to concentrate on studying. I prepared for the subject by accessing resources multiple times, understanding the concepts, studying through textbooks and the CM Impact Guidebook. Lastly, I would like to give a short message to other students, especially who wish to achieve excellence. Remember, we all have the ability to succeed in becoming what we want. But a few key things are necessary to follow. Number 1, you must pray before studying. Trust completely in the Lord even when facing difficulties. Number 2, dedication is very important. You must dedicate yourself to studying. Number 3, understanding the concepts. You should not just memorize. You must understand the concepts. And lastly, number 4, believe in yourself to succeed. Don't let discouragement take hold. May God bless you all. Thank you.
My name is Amamy Sangma from Bakmara, Southwest Garo Hills, Garobada. I'm from St. Dominic Savio Higher Secondary School, Garobada. As of now, I'm very excited about my result and about the marks. I did not expect it that much, but my hard work does expect. In the morning, I was really afraid to see the result, and after I saw it, I was really shocked seeing all the letter marks in all the subjects. Living in a rural, remote area is very challenging for all the students, but I think all the problems and all the challenges makes a person bigger or better. Overcoming such challenges needs a focus, concentration, or such problems like lack of certain facilities, electricity, coaching classes. I had done it with a full focus on studying without even thinking about all these challenges. I was like studying with my scheduled time always. I created specific timetable such as to study, play, and to roam around with my friends. I study like about 8 or 9 hours a day daily. My teachers and my principal support us in a way that we can do well in our studies and also in exam. I believe in myself and I believe in God that I can try it even if I sometimes feel weak, unmotivated. My mother keeps on motivating me, giving advice all the time to be a better person and to do well in all my work, especially in my studies. So some advice to some student from me is to believe in yourself and believe in God. Self-belief is a halfway that's about to happen. So believe in yourself and say you can do it. Now I'm gonna be pursuing science and I want to be a doctor in future. Thank you.